Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I have a big announcement and I hope you can watch these videos until the end. We finally reached the massive milestone of becoming YouTube official partners. It took 12 months, over 100 videos and countless editing hours to reach the monetization requirements for this channel. This is largely thanks to you who watches and engages with my videos, and I hope you can do so in the future, and thank you. I remember my first videos when I started doing the videos for YouTube. I didn't have a microscope camera, so I was using a mobile phone attached to a stand. Then I purchased an ELP IMX317 cameras, I think it is. And because my old AmScope SE400 didn't have a camera port, I had to use some cable ties, and anyway, it was not nice, but it was doing the job at the time. I'm constantly trying to improve the content and my tools, and eventually moved to an AmScope SM4 microscope, which does have better zoom and also has a camera port. And I purchased for this microscope a ELP IMX415 camera, I think it is. Anyway, this is a 4K camera, much better than the old one. But I always felt, and to celebrate this huge moment, I'm treating the lab with a new camera. But before we open this camera, I want to make clear that this is not a sponsored ad. I purchased this camera myself. I purchased the tripod, I purchased the lighting, I purchased the lens, I purchased everything with my own money. Okay, so this is nothing to do with the manufacturer. This is not sponsored. Okay, now let's have a look inside and see what we have. And this is the camera. Now, what camera is this and why it's better? Now, this is the Mokose UC30S. Now, this camera is using a Sony sensor IMX678, which is a Starvis 2. Now, my old ELP camera is using a Sony IMX317, which is a Starvis 1 sensor. Now, this sensor, it's much better in low lighting condition with lower artifacts and less digital noise, and I hope you guys can see the improvement. Now, this camera is the difference between guessing the crack or seeing the crack on the board. Now, I want to keep this channel independent without big companies and sponsors telling me what to say and what to do and what to repair and what not to repair. So by activating super thanks, I'm giving you guys the chance to be the sponsor of this lab. If you find my content useful and want to contribute towards future equipment or donor boards, you can do so right under this video. Finally, because it's almost the end of the year, I want to wish all my subscribers, supporters and viewers a Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and we'll start the new year with a better camera, better content, and better quality. Now, let me connect this camera and we'll take some comparing shots and we'll see how we're doing. Thank you, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year to all. Okay, so this is the Mokose I just connected roughly. I still have to play with the settings, tweak them a little bit. Now, what do you think? Let me turn off these lights in here. Okay, now this has a light aperture here. This is the maximum for this. So what do you think? I can zoom in and I can focus. Now I can zoom in a little more and I can focus. I think it's brilliant. You can see the writing on the battery. Now this is the ELP IMX 317 camera that I've been using until now. Now this is not a bad camera either. The problem is that it's USB 2.0 and 4K is a little bit too much for that port. Now I don't know if you can see this waving in here, this, you see this distortion that we got in here. Now this one as well has got a manual adjustment. You see, you can put the light on and I can focus a little more. You see, it's not bad, right? Let me turn off the light as well a little bit. Okay, so it's not bad, but it's got this waving around there, so I had to put the camera to full HD. Let's see, can I change it to full HD while we're... Okay, so now it's full HD. You see all this waving is gone now, and as well I can zoom in. I think this is the maximum this, yeah, I can zoom. This is the maximum this it takes, and I can focus, same like a Mokose. Okay, let's see. So this is the maximum that I can go with this. Now what do you think? This is the ELP, and we have the Mokose on the other side, on the other video that we've seen. Do you think that we improved anything? I mean, this is not bad actually. You see, you can see the writing on the battery, you can see pretty much everything. I can even put the light a bit more, turn it on. Let's make it a bit sharper. Okay, maybe this is too much light. Okay, so now, what do you think? Let's look at this QR code in here. Okay, so I think it's decent, right? Anyway, if you like the video, please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.